Hello, Gedmis here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to giveaway game of this Skmei watch. It's model number 2033. It's quite interesting looking watch. So I put all the participants on the list who wanted to participate. We have 35 participants and I also made this drum-like list. Because yes, of course, I'll use my spinner to enroll the winner. So good luck everyone. And here we go. The spinning is spinning. Please check out the full review about this watch on my channel. I'll leave the link in the description. Also check many more reviews on my channel. And tomorrow I will also upload the review about this Skmei 2091 model. It's quite nice watch actually, and the spinner is slowing and soon we'll know who the winner of this quite large but interesting watch will be. And the winner is the spinning is slowing, and the winner is Gevorg HF. Congratulations. Please contact me, we'll talk about the details how I'll send you this watch. Once again, thanks everyone for watching. Please subscribe my channel and see you next time. Goodbye.